Would you believe that cats and seagulls can be friends? Ever heard of Cat Alley in Istanbul? It's a haven where felines and birds unite. Seagulls wander around confident, for some free cat food. But not every cat is willing to share. Witness a showdown over dinner. Not all cats are friendly towards seagulls. Like what you see? I have many cat and other animal videos coming soon.
Hello? Excuse me!
We hope you enjoy our videos, and smile when watching. We really appreciate your support.
Yes, it's a great feeling to share, not only with animals but also with our viewers.
We still have to ask for more support. We now have Patreon and Buy Me a Coffee.
We are not ashamed to ask for sponsors. For $1 we will thank you in a video.
If you sponsor more than $1, we will thank you more, and of course promote your YouTube channel or product.
Please support. $1 goes a long way. Thank you so much.
We wish you a great day and never forget to smile.
Yes, smile, subscribe, like, and click the notification button. We appreciate you even if you don't sponsor. Keep smiling.
Please subscribe for more entertaining travel videos. I upload short format every Friday and video format every Saturday. Did I say? Never forget to smile.
Fear is such a great motivator.
Oh! You see, your actions have consequences!
What are you still doing? Get out of here!
Thank you.